Hello, welcome to Math Made Simple. In this session, we are going to solve this simple mathematical equation using basic principles of like terms and indices. To start with, we first have the like terms on one side, and then we proceed to find the value of y. That is 8 to power y plus 2 power 3y is equal to 131 minus 3. That will give you 8 power y plus 2 to power 3y is equal to 128. We write this to the base of 2. You'll have 2 to power 3y plus 2 to power 3y is equal to 128. 2 to power 3y is common, so we say let 2 to power 3y be equal to x. So you have x plus x is equal to 128. X plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 128. Divide both sides by 2. This one gives you 1. This one gives you 64. So x is equal to 64. But we are not interested in x. We are interested in the value of y. Remember, we said x is equal to 2 to power 3y. So we replace this one with this one. You'll have 2 to power 3y is equal to 64. 2 to power 3y is equal to 64 implies that it's 2 to power 3y is equal to 2 to power 6. 2 is common on both sides, so you have 3y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. We can verify whether this indeed is the answer by coming and replacing the values of y here and to establish whether it's 2. Otherwise, I'd invite you to try that on your own. If you get a different answer, please comment write your comment in the comment section. And if you have any question regarding this problem or any other problem of this nature, please, you can reach out to us and we'll be glad to assist. We are happy to have had you today. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.